Welcome to the White House, the heart of American history and leadership. Built in 1800, this iconic building has been the home of every U.S. president since John Adams. As you walk around, imagine the decisions that shaped the world, right here within these walls. The White House is not just a residence, it is a symbol of democracy, freedom, and the American dream.
It's so big!
Wow, Babu! Look at the ducks swimming! So cute!
Chotu, look! The fountain sparkles in the sunlight.
Wow, Babu! Everything looks so alive here!
Look, Chotu! The White House lawn is huge!
It's amazing, Babu! Let's explore every corner!
Chotu, these steps are so tall!
Let's see who can reach the top first. Chotu, smell these roses. They are so pretty.
I love the colors, Babu.
Chotu, look at all these paintings!
They're huge! Let's go closer.
Wow, Chotu! This must be the president's office.
Everything looks so official. Let's explore carefully.
Chotu, this kitchen smells amazing!
I wish we could try some of this food.
Look at all these books, Chotu.
So many stories. Let's explore them slowly. Chotu, imagine having a dinner party here.
Everything looks so fancy. We have to be careful.
Chotu, this corridor is so grand.
I love the paintings and shiny floors. Chotu, this must be where speeches are given.
Oh!
It looks so official. Let's explore carefully.
Chotu, this garden is so peaceful.
I love running here with you.
Chotu, imagine the meetings here.
Everything looks so serious and fancy.
Chotu, these stairs are so tall!
Let's see who climbs faster.
Chotu, these flowers are beautiful!
I love all the colors, Babu. Chotu, this room is for music performances.
Everything looks so elegant.
Chotu, this sunroom is so cozy.
I love the sunlight and plants.
Chotu, the fountain sparkles beautifully.
It's like magic in the sunlight.
So many books. Where do I start?
I'll take the one with pictures.